Hello, Professor. Today I would like to share my overall review and those shown in your ES1 class this semester. I will be discussing both the positive aspects I enjoyed and a few areas that were a bit challenging. Let's start with the advantages. First, the ES1 class had a wonderfully free and relaxed atmosphere. Since it was a communication-focused class, this environment made it incredibly easy to interact with others and get close to my classmates. Second, I highly appreciate your teaching style. You tailored the lectures perfectly for us undergraduate students by explaining concepts slowly and clearly. Even when we couldn't understand a topic right away, you patiently provide continuous explanations until we fully grasped it. Lastly, your approach to assignments was very student-friendly. The taxes were never rushed, and you gave us generous submission deadlines. This significantly reduced our psychological pressures and allowed us to focus on our work with peace of mind. However, there were a couple of downsides I would like to respectfully mention. One issue was that the presentations were not conducted face to face. Presenting online made it very difficult to properly demonstrate my presentation skills, such as making natural eye contact and using body language. Another challenging aspect was the group activity that required the members to actually go to restaurants and eat a meal together. While I understand the intention was to build teamwork, it required personal financial spending, which placed a slight financial burden on us as students. In conclusion, this, despite the online presentations format and the unexpected cost of the group meal, your superior teaching style, stress-free assignments, and the great classes atmosphere make ES1 truly valuable experience. Thank you for a wonderful semester and thank you for listening to my video. Bye.